Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is your captain this evening. We are about to depart, but before we do our short safety announcement, first off, we'd like to know that this vessel, the Lucia, is licensed and inspected by the U.S. Coast Guard. We know all expectations for your safety. Look at the stern of the vessel under the benches on the upper deck and remark departments on the lower deck are life jackets. Please do not tamper with these. They are for emergency use only. In the event of an emergency, a uniformed crew member will assist you with the donning and distribution of those life jackets. We ask you, do not stand on the seats or benches. Do not sit on top of the railings. This goes for everybody, including small children. I don't want you far into the deck, falling over as you go. Feel free to move on the vessel as we go. Please watch your step using handrails as you go up the stairs. The stairs look at the stern of the vessel, and out front you on both sides of the powerhouse. There are trash cans located throughout the vessel. Please use them. Please don't do anything over as you go.
It'll always be the Wrigley building. It is always lit up throughout the whole night. Most of these buildings turn their fancy lights off at a certain time. All right, we're ready to start the tour. Get excited. The river, yeah, I like you guys. We're going to have some fun. Here we go. You ready? This is our lowest bridge we're going to go under tonight. Don't jump or try to touch it. It's very rusty and dirty. But this is the DuSable Bridge. It's 103 years old. It weighs 15,000 tons. That's the size of a 747 airplane with 500 people on it. Here we go. Look over here to your left-hand side. This is the Apple Store. Some of you have a fancy Apple iPhone, and I'm going to tell you why your phone is so expensive. Look at each piece of glass on that Apple Store. It is $700,000 for each piece of glass. Now you know why your phone's so expensive. People ask me how many phones have been dropped in the river. None on my tour. Knock on wood. Right side. This is the Hyatt Regency, the brownstone building. Over 2,000 rooms in this hotel. It's the largest hotel here in Chicago. You see the square rectangular one with the white lights and the red dots at the top? That is the fourth tallest building here in Chicago. It's the Aon building. But we made a mistake on this building. The architect used beautiful Italian marble on the outside, and after 10 harsh years in the midnight cold summer, it just ended. We just missed it. This is the Merchandise Mart. This is 40.5 billion square feet. You're like, how big is that, Justine? It takes up 5 city blocks. This building's Art Deco. See the vertical lines? See how it sets back at the top and the ornamentation? Art Deco. Now what's interesting about this building here, there's only one building that's larger and takes up more space. It's in Washington, D.C. Anybody know?
Pentagon.
The Pentagon. The Pentagon. Oh, it's still going on. You guys see the large projector? So it goes off at 8:30 and 9 o'clock. It's a 30-minute show. Now, who built this building? 1930 it was built. the building. The guy's like, nope, I'm not fixing the building. The city said, we're going to process the paperwork to take over the building. He goes, no, you're not. Well, right before the city started processing the paperwork, he sold the building for $28 million.
हो गया